Welcome to Techie Leopard channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a folder in Google Docs. First, open Google Docs in your browser. Once it's loaded, make sure you are signed into your Google account. At the top of the Google Docs interface, locate and click on the arrow next to the document title. Then in the drop-down menu that appears, select all locations. This will let you view all available folders and storage locations linked to your Google Drive. In the next window, double-click on My Drive. This is your main Google Drive storage area where you can create and manage folders. Look for the plus icon, usually at the top or in a corner of the window, and click on it to start creating a new folder. A name box will appear. Type in the name you want for your new folder. Make sure it's descriptive so you can easily identify it later. After typing the folder name, click Create. And there you have it. Your new folder is ready to use in Google Docs. That's it. I hope this video is helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.